Our top story this morning, a mistrial declared in the capital murder case against a Limestone County teenager charged with killing his family.
We want to bring in WATE 31's Matt Kroschel now. Matt, just before the top of the show, we learned that a new trial has been set. So what happens now?
Alex, good morning to you. Yeah, as we wait for that new trial now on the books for February 2023, about 6 months now for the defense and prosecutors to digest what has occurred here in this first trial. We were on day 6. The defense was supposed to start presenting their side of the case when we had a morning kind of conference with attorneys without the jury in the room, and that is when the defense again argued for a mistrial based on new evidence just back from the FBI. The FBI had been trying to crack Mary Sisk, a victim in this, cell phone, and they were able to do so as this trial already started. Of course, the defense says there is gigabytes worth of information on that phone they believe could help their client, and they did not have time to review all that information. So the judge, siding with the defense here and declaring a mistrial. Video of Mason Sisk leaving the courthouse, and I asked him if he had any thoughts about this mistrial. He said no comment. His defense team said that they, of course, were welcoming of this mistrial because it gives us more time there. And I talked to the district attorney as well. He stepped outside and made some comments about this mistrial too.
Of course, I'm very disappointed. Judge Wise does a fine job. This is a difficult case that, in overabundance of caution for the defendant, that's why this was done. We're going to do it again.
Obviously, this is a high-profile case, and it has a lot of interest here in the community. This happened back in 2019. 5 murders here in that small town, and so we asked both sides on this if there's a chance this could be tried somewhere else outside of Limestone County. Both sides pretty confident that it should be here in Limestone County, that they will be able to find other jurors that can listen to this same information, that at times very, very graphic evidence presented to this jury. I spoke to several members of this jury after the mistrial, and they said that they had some very interesting points about all this. They said they wish they would have had the opportunity to at least hear the rest of this case. So we'll have much more on their take on all of this, plus reaction from both sides coming up with our coverage that begins again at 4 o'clock this afternoon. Reporting live in Athens, Matt Kroschel, WATE 31 News.